Hi folks, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. It is an absolutely beautiful day here in North Carolina, and I am enjoying this weather. Today I'm going to do I want to highlight a couple of different things. One of them, and the main one, is this lamp wick that I got from James over at Harshman Hills. If you're not subscribed to him or not familiar with his channel, I highly recommend you go and check him out. He does some really neat stuff on his channel. But anyhow, he sent me this, and I added a little piece of copper tubing so that I can snuff it out, and I'm going to see if I can get a fire going with that. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to use a piece of flint that he also sent me, and this has got sharp edges all around, so it should work just fine. And what I'm going to use for a steel, now he sent me a nice little steel, it works great, but I wanted to highlight this particular one today. This is from Vern's Flint and Steel. You can buy them on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure they're still available. And this thing is just as handy as it can be. The design of it makes it easy to hold, but the thing I like best about it is this little gap in here. If you have a piece of flint or chert and it starts getting dull, all you have to do is just use this side right here and hit it like that. Not only will it throw great sparks, but it breaks off little pieces and sharpens your stone. That is handy as pockets on a shirt. I ain't lying to you. So anyhow, I am going to, oh, by the way, as usual, I timed it to where I've got chimes in the background. Church is just across the street from me. So instead of using a piece of char cloth, what I'll do is drop the stone. I'm gonna find me a good sharp edge here, which are all over the place on this particular one. And I'm gonna lay this on here, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to spark. Now, it's gonna be hard to see in bright sunlight. These little sparks, they're hard to see, but I'm gonna give this a shot. If I can get this to light, then I'll stick it in my paper bundle and get it. I'm gonna try to shade myself so I can see these things. Got it lit, folks. I know you can't see it, but maybe you can. There's a little smoke coming off of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay it right in my bundle here, and I'm gonna see if I can get it to get me some flame going. We got flame. Yep. If I didn't put it out, putting it in there. Now to put this thing out, all I'm gonna do is just pull that up over like, and I'm gonna put my thumb over to block all the air out of it. And then it'll take me just a few seconds for that to go out. Hope I didn't put that out. But I definitely had flame. I hope y'all saw it. There we go. It's flaming. You'll see it in just a second. But anyhow, once again, go check out James over at Harshman Hills. You'll enjoy his channel. He does some really cool stuff. He does some dangerous stuff every once in a while too. That's one of the reasons I like to watch him. So anyhow, till I see you next time. Oh, and by the way, today is my nursing home ministry. So all you praying folks, lift me up that somebody will get saved while I'm there today. Till I see you next time, God bless you. Don't forget, tell somebody you love them because they may not be here tomorrow. See you on the next one, y'all. Thanks again, James.